Hello, so welcome back. I this time I wanted to do a Q&A session. So I haven't got that many questions, hardly 5 to 6, but that also my friends wanted to, tease me in a way. So I will try to, edit the video and, add the picture of questions in between it, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not. So we will see. I do have a book and pen here, like a paper. I have written those questions to, not mess it up. So, first question: who is your bestie? My bestie, I have three best friends, and three of them are my classmates. One of them I won't reveal their name because they wanted to, keep it private, and I respect that. So, two of them, Manoj and Navya. So these two are my best friends, and if you are watching this video, thank you so much for being there for me every time. Since 5 years, every time I have felt depressed or sad, I would text them like randomly, and they would cheer me up. So thank you so much. Even like at night 3 a.m., 4 a.m., no matter what, I would just text them and say like, hey, listen, I'm feeling low, and they wouldn't sleep till they make me smile. So that is really sweet. I'm glad I have got good friends. So thank you. Next one: how many people have asked you questions after keeping this status? So none. First of all, when this reply I have read, this is the first one, and I haven't got any questions till then, so it was 0, but now it is 6. So thank you for starting that the chain maybe. Next one: నా మీద ఎందుకు అరిచావు? So this is my friend, and two of my classmates had a very little clash, and after that I spoke to this person, and he wanted to take me his side, but I wanted to make both of them comfortable, so I just shouted him and I cut the call. Why did I shout again? Because I don't like taking sides. That is your answer. Next, what is the main reason to start this channel? So this is the question my my sister's friend Tulasi, she is very sweet, she asked me this question. The main reason for starting this channel is to spread positivity and for me to get out of my comfort zone and to overcome my insecurities. Next one: so this is one of my best friend asked, the one which I told I won't reveal their name. So do you want to pursue YouTube as a career or something you do as a passion? So it's both actually. I thought I will pursue this to overcome my anxiety and insecurities, but slowly it became my passion, and now I am thinking I will dedicate half of my time to YouTube and half of my time to studies. So it's partly career, you can say, but I since that I am diagnosed with depression, I don't know if I will have that energy and that motivation or inspiration to keep going if I don't have many followers or many people who will see the videos. But I will try to keep on trying, and maybe hopefully this will become my career. I really hope so. Next one: is there something else you want to pursue as a career option? Yes, event management. I really wanted to be an event manager since my 10th class, and it's been 5 years since then, 4 to 5 years, and I really haven't got that opportunity to pursue it. Hopefully next year I will join a course, join degree in event management, and hopefully someday I can pursue it. Just wish me luck. That's it. So that is it for this Q&A. If you have any more questions, comment down below or message me on Instagram. I will see them, and when I have another bunch of questions like 5 or 10, I will record them and do another fun Q&A, and that's it. Make sure to share with your friends and ask them what questions they want to ask you and what they want to know about you, and have a fun chit chat with them. Bye.